Attach the tank to the bowl using modern plastic-sheathed tank bolts with rubber washers for a secure, leak-resistant fit. Start by removing the old bolts and cleaning all mating surfaces so the bowl rim and tank base are free of old gasket material and mineral deposits. Fit a new tank to bowl gasket centered over the flush valve opening so it seals vertically between tank and bowl. Insert plastic-sheathed tank bolts from inside the tank so the plastic sleeve sits between the metal thread and the porcelain hole, and place a rubber washer against the tank interior to seal. Below the bowl seat, a flat washer and a nylon nut complete each fastener. Hand start both nuts and then alternate tightening each side a quarter turn at a time so the tank compresses evenly and stays square on the bowl. Tighten only until the rubber gasket is compressed enough to stop leaks and the tank no longer rocks. Stop before any porcelain starts to flex or crack. Finally, connect the fill valve and water supply, cycle the tank, and check for leaks at each bolt and the gasket while listening for any water seepage or feeling for movement. The three most common mistakes are over-tightening the nuts, skipping the rubber washers, and using plain metal bolts that corrode and abrade porcelain. Over-tightening can crack the tank or bowl, so back off as soon as the tank is snug and stable. Skipping rubber washers leads to leaks under pressure, so always use the correct shaped rubber washer against the tank interior and a flat washer beneath the bowl. Using plain metal bolts causes rust stains and can erode the porcelain hole, so use plastic-sheathed bolts or fully plastic fasteners to isolate metal from porcelain and replace them at the first sign of corrosion. We manage bighomeprojects.com to help homeowners find trusted local contractors and to help contractors find work through our listings and project connections. We also host a discussion community so members can ask questions, share experiences, and get practical tips on projects like tank mounting and other home upgrades.